Welcome to Fresa Technologies blogs, and we will be looking at how to map an account to an organization. Open blog.fresatechnologies.com. Here is the search button. Click search, enter accounts mapping. Click search. Here is the search result for account mapping appears. Select how to do an account mapping for an organization in Fresa application. Here is the step-by-step process with pictures. First, select master module and then select organization. Then enter the organization name. Then click edit button. In organization details page, click accounts. Then click add button. Then add the COA details. Click save. Then the accounts will be added to the organization. Let's see this process in Fresa application. Select master module. Select organization. Here are the list of organizations which are already created. You can search the organization by enter its name. Then click submit. Click the edit button. Then click accounts. Then click add button. Enter the COA name. Select creditors or debtors based on the transaction between the organization and you. Enter the currency. Click save. So this is how to map an account to an organization. Thanks for watching.